Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate iCloud Drive on Windows 11 easy tutorial step by step clearly. To activate iCloud Drive on Windows 11, first, ensure your device is connected to the internet. Next, click on the Start menu located in the lower left corner of your screen. Type Microsoft Store in the search bar and select the Microsoft Store application from the results. Once the Microsoft Store opens, locate the search bar at the top right corner. Type iCloud in the search field and press Enter. Find the iCloud app in the search results and click on it. Click the Get button to download and install the iCloud app on your computer. After installation, click on the Launch button to open iCloud. In the iCloud window, sign in with your Apple ID and password. Once logged in, you will see a list of iCloud features. Check the box next to iCloud Drive to activate it. You may also select any other features you would like to enable. After selecting your options, click the Apply button at the bottom right. Wait a moment while iCloud syncs your selected settings. Once done, you can access iCloud Drive through File Explorer. To find iCloud Drive, open File Explorer from the taskbar. In the left navigation pane, you will see iCloud Drive listed. Click on it to access your files stored in iCloud. Now you can easily upload, download, and manage your documents from iCloud Drive on Windows 11. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact. If you see an error message, note it down and try again. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.